If you want to set up a voicemail on Samsung Galaxy A17, all you have to do is open the phone app. Next, we can press and hold number 1 over here in order to speed dial the voicemail. And then you should be able to follow the instructions that you will hear during the call in order to set up the voicemail in case there is something that you need to set up. And in case you cannot reach the voicemail, then this might be due to the incorrect voicemail number. So in order to customize it, in order to change it, we need to tap on these 3 dots that we have in the top right corner, and then we can go to settings. Once you open settings, you should be able to scroll down until you find the, let me actually try to find it, voicemail over here. And then there we go, over here we have voicemail number, which might be different for different SIM cards, of course. This depends on the service provider or carrier. And in this case, I used this one, so what you need to do is tap over here in order to edit the voicemail number, and you need to enter the correct voicemail number in case it is incorrect. And if you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can try to Google that information, just enter voicemail number and the name of your service provider or carrier. Or you can try to contact them to ask them what is the voicemail number. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.